Hello student, I hope you are doing fine. So today we are going to this CSAT question. The question saying if A, B, C and D are the four consecutive numbers, means they are the four consecutive numbers such that B is smaller than A, means they are saying B is smaller than A, C is smaller than B, C is smaller than B, and D is smaller than C. D is smaller than C. So this is a pattern they are given here. A, B, C, D are the four consecutive numbers such that B is smaller than A, C is smaller than B, D is smaller than C. Then which of the following statement is or are correct? So in नीचे given statement में से कौन सा statement correct होगा? तो we need to tell there. यूपीएससी आजकल इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन ज्यादा पूछ रहा है. These are the algebra kind of the questions जहाँ पे आपको इक्वेशन को देख के मैच करना होता है by adding the some kind of detail there. So if the question is saying A, B, C, D are the consecutive numbers, so we can consider A, B, C, D as a consecutives. Consecutives के according we can put the value of A 4, value of B 3, value of C 2, and value of D 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the value of the these four consecutive numbers. आप value कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. You can take the 5, 6, 7, 8. You can take the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. जो आपका मन हो आप वो value ले सकते हैं. But we are taking a smaller value, so the calculation become very easy. Calculation आसान हो जाएगा, तो इसलिए we are taking the smaller value. And according to the given situation, D is the smallest one, then the C, then the B, and the A is the largest one. So we are taking in this range 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hope यहाँ तक आपको question clear है. This is given in the question itself. Now we need to check the equations. Options में जाएंगे हम लोग. Now we will check the equation according to the given options. If we are looking at the equation number A, it is saying A plus D. A plus D means A is equal to 4, D is equal to 1. A plus D is greater than B plus C. B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 2. Means 4 plus 5 is greater than 3 plus 2, 5. It is not possible. Means the first equation is wrong here. 5 is equal to 5, not greater than 5. So one statement is wrong here. Now let's do for the second statement. In the second statement, question is saying A plus C. A is equal to 4, C is equal to 2. Means 4 plus 2 is less than B plus D. B is equal to 3 and D is equal to 1. Then the 6 is less than 4. It is possible. 6 is less than 4. 6 कभी 4 से कम हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता. So 6 is not less than 4. This statement is also wrong. One is wrong, second is wrong. Now let's move to the third statement. Third statement is here saying 8 divided by C, means 8 divided by C, 4 divided by 2 is less than B divided by D. B is 3 and D is equal to 1. Means 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 is less than 3. So means yes, 2 is less than 3. This situation is right. So C is the right one here. 2 is less than 3. So if we are getting the answer C, so we can leave the option number D. हम इसको छोड़ सकते हैं क्योंकि हमें आंसर्स पहले से ही मिल गया, तो C is the answer. लेकिन अगर आपको confusion है तो we can verify the option number 4 here also. So in the case of the option number 4, we can see here A into C. A into C means 4 into 2 is less than B into D. B is 3 and D is 1. 8 is less than 3, never possible. 8 less than 3 कभी भी possible नहीं है. So this is also wrong. So D statement is also wrong. So answer here is C. So C इस question का answer होगा. So here we are just decoding the statements. जो statements में given है हमने वही लिखा है. According to pattern setup किया है. Values को options में put किया है and we are getting the answer. So answer is C here. क्वेश्चन देखने में कॉम्प्लेक्स था क्योंकि इट्स 3-4 स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चंस उसके अकॉर्डिंग, बट व्हेन वी आर डूइंग द सॉल्यूशन इट बिकम इजी हियर. So at Edukemy we are starting our CSAT batch from the 15th of September. Please join from the Edukemy website. You can join directly online and offline mode. For the daily practice, join the CSAT for the UPSC Telegram group where we are practicing the daily question of the CSAT. Thank you everyone.